Today we are talking about why it's so important that we are digesting our fats with or without a gallbladder. So fats affect every system and every cell in your body, and it's really important that we are digesting fats. So whether you have fatty liver or no gallbladder, we want to make sure that we are eating fats and that our body is using them, because it is very important for your metabolism. So here's some signs that you might not be digesting and absorbing your fats very well. You have floating stools, light colored stools, greasy looking stools, you have right side pain, you feel like extra bloated or nauseated after eating a high fat meal, or high fat meals actually cause you have diarrhea and some loose stools. You just feel inflamed all the time, you feel tired, you have low mood, you're not recovering well, your immune system is low. Those are all signs that you might not be absorbing fats very well. So let's talk about first, if you don't have a gallbladder, what changed? If you don't have a gallbladder, bile now drips from the liver into the small intestine instead of being released in a timed, coordinated way with your food intake. It's also not as concentrated. Now, if you have a fatty liver, your bile is probably, if you haven't done anything about it, it could be thick and sludgy. So whether you have no gallbladder or you do have a gallbladder, many people's bile is actually thick and sludgy just because we have so many toxins that we're dealing with. Our liver is like really working. We're not typically supporting our liver very well, and so our bile is maybe not very good quality. It's thick and sludgy, it's full of other toxins, it's not flowing very well. So there's whether you have a gallbladder or not, there's a good chance that your liver needs some extra support making bile so you can absorb your fats. Now let's talk about why fats matter. So the fats are so important for your hormones, for your energy, for regulating blood sugar, but they also contain fat-soluble nutrients that are really important for your metabolism, such as vitamin A, which is important for your thyroid, for making thyroid hormone, and for your skin and eyes. Vitamin D, it helps fight inflammation and supports your immune system, helps you have better mood, energy, all of that. Vitamin E also helps with inflammation and protects your cells, cellular protection against antioxidant attack. And vitamin K for eyesight, for wound healing, for helping to make sure your plaques don't get calcified. So those are very important reasons that we need to be absorbing these fats and fat-soluble nutrients. Now, symptoms, I talked about symptoms a little bit more, but here's some more symptoms that might indicate that you're not absorbing your fats well. You have dry, cracked skin, like cracked heels, which is what I had for decades before I healed my liver. Low energy, hormone issues, you bruise easily, your immune system is low, and low mood, or you struggle with depression, or you just don't have the energy, like the mental energy that you want. So now let's talk about what helps. So first of all, the 3 every 3 or 4 every 4, so about 300 calories, 300 to 400 calories every 3 to 4 hours. So you want smaller meals, just like I teach in Metabolism Tune-Up, because that is going to help time your food intake with bile release if you don't have a gallbladder, and it helps to break up your meals into smaller portions so that the bile that your liver does release is more adequate for what you need. And every time you eat, think about having about 1 to 2 teaspoons of fats. So if you're having lean meats, you might want to add some fats. If you're not having like a salad dressing or some kind of dressing that has fats, think about adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of fats. Here's some great sources of fats that have these fat-soluble nutrients. Egg yolk is amazing, butter, olive oil, nuts like walnuts and almonds and even peanuts, and avocado. Those are some great sources for fat. So if you're experiencing some of the symptoms I talked about, you may want to increase your fats a little bit and just make sure, do some of the things that I'm talking about so you can absorb your fats. Then liver support. The next thing that can help is liver support. So things like milk thistle and NAC, B vitamins, beets, and dandelion tea can help support your liver to make better bile. And then to improve the quality of your bile flow, your liver also needs special nutrients like taurine or choline. or phosphatidylcholine. So you could take taurine before you go to bed at night. It's an amino acid, but it helps to thin out your bile. And then you might need digestive support, such as bile salts or enzymes, which has lipase to help break down your fats. So if you're struggling with some of these symptoms, really focus on your liver and your bile quality, your bile health, by doing the things I talked about: small meals. Make sure you get 1 to 2 teaspoons of fats with every meal. Liver support, go to the lesson where I talk about supplements for dosing. Bile flow, consider taking taurine or phosphatidylcholine, and digestive enzymes. And I think that's going to really help. It'll help change the quality of your stool. So your stool is more brown. It's not light colored. It's not greasy. It's not floating anymore. And you start feeling better. Inflammation goes down. You have more energy, better mood. You get sick less often. You don't bruise as easily. And you just feel better overall. Your inflammation is going down. So if you have any questions, please drop them below.